Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you and explain about the Adrenox app that is used to connect the all-new Mahindra XUV 700. Now let's go ahead and open Play Store and search Adrenox. It is spelled Adrenox. Now let's hit search. So this app called Adrenox Connect is the app I have been talking about. So the app is having a 5-star rating with 11 reviews and have a size of 39 MB. Just within a short period of time, the app is having 1 trillion downloads. This app is similar to the MG iSmart app. In the description, they have given about 64 controls. We can control the XUV 700 remotely by these controls. And they are remote start and stop, remote climate control, remote sky roof control, remote windows up and down, remote door lock or unlock, remote lamp on or off, locate my SUV, etc. Next, we have some smart features like in-home Alexa, smart home control, valet mode, estimated time of arrival, logbook, that is fuel or fuel diary, personalized safety alert, do not disturb mode, smart wearables connectivity, that means we can control using our smartwatches. Then we have about the place option, greetings, journey planner, to-do list, pickup reminder, service bookings, my documents, profile manager, request app access, e-manual, and finally contact us option to contact them. Next we have the options for vehicle information and alerts. So first we have check door status, check tire pressure, check lamp status, check audio, my SUV info, check AC status, check distance to empty, seatbelt status, overspeed alert, high speed temperature alert, lamp status alert, tire pressure alert, vehicle start or stop, door open alert, geo fence alert, unauthorized vehicle entry. Then we have low fuel alert, routine deviation alert, time fencing, seatbelt alert, driver drowsiness alert, insurance expiry, PUC expiry, and finally engine idle alert. Next we have the location based features. They are live tracking, save route or save place, find my car, share my car location, push to car, sync location on SUV, Echo Sense, trip history, weekly report, trip replay, and pit stops. And finally, we have 3 safety features. They are e-call, SOS button, and roadside assistance. And guys, I must say, this is a lot of features. Even in MG iSmart app, I haven't seen this much features. You can comment down below if you agree. Now moving on to the app information, it is on the current version 0.0.3 and the app is updated on Play Store on 13 September 2021. The downloadable size is 38.98 MB and it's released on 22 September 2021. Now let's go ahead and install the app. So now the app is downloaded and installed. Now let's open the app. Now this is the loading screen. It shows Adrenox Connect and below that it shows Mahindra Rise. Next we have to allow some access like camera, device location, access phone calls, and finally to access the media files. If you already have the login phone number and password, you can log in directly, or else you can click sign up and there it asks to type the registered phone number and to enter the generated OTP. You have to keep in mind that the customers who have booked the XUV 700 needs to complete and verify the KYC at Mahindra. Then only you can complete the sign up process, or else when you click on generate OTP, it will show KYC not done. The delivery of XUV 700 is just going to start. So when I get hands on one of the vehicles, I will surely make a complete video. So till then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to all to get the first notification when I upload that video. So thank you for watching the video guys. Hit the like button if you like the video and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.